Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. In this video, I want to answer a question that you've probably been thinking about, and that is the question of whether or not you can start a profitable online business by promoting other people's products, otherwise known as affiliate marketing. And I will be showing you some results, not just results that I've generated, but companies that are doing this, billion-dollar companies that are doing this and making tons and tons of profit. Of course, a company would not be valued at over $1 billion if they're not generating profit. And this company is solely making most of its profit or its revenues from promoting other people's product. And not only will I be showing you that, I also will be showing you some of my income as well, some of the income that I've generated that's just been mainly from promoting other people's product. I've never made a product myself. I've never created my product, because why would I do that when I can have other people do the same product for me? I can just go find that product and connect the product with potential buyers so they can benefit from it. I don't have to do any delivery. I don't have to do customer service. I don't even have to see the product or talk to the customer ever. So this is one of the most important things to know about affiliate marketing, because you can literally build an online business, build an empire, build a legacy income without having to have your own products or service or doing all of the work. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. First of all, I want to show you one company that you've probably heard about. So a company that you maybe use if you have a credit card, or maybe you've had any financial need in the past. This company is NerdWallet. NerdWallet in year 2020 posted a revenue of $245.3 million. And that is, up from the $228 million they posted in 2019. And if you know anything about NerdWallet, NerdWallet is a company that merely, talks about credit cards, talks about, products and services in the financial sector that everyday people need. So if you've ever need to research a credit card, you've probably heard of NerdWallet before. And this is exactly what NerdWallet does. They partner with all of these credit card companies. They partner with financial services companies, and they bring you all of that product because they have access to a lot of people. They have access to a lot of people who needs these services. And what they do is find the right credit card, match someone who needs a credit card with the right credit card company or any type of financial service. And that is exactly what affiliate marketing is. So if you think about NerdWallet, don't think about NerdWallet as one giant tech company. NerdWallet is simply an affiliate marketing company. Of course, over time they have evolved to become this giant tech company that we think about today. And that is one of the good things about affiliate marketing. And if you have that idea in your head, maybe you've seen a ton of YouTube videos like everyone these days talking about affiliate marketing, and you think it is a scam. Now let me show you one of the results that I've been able to generate from one of the products that I've partnered with over time. Now this is not to say that I've generated some crazy results with this. I'm just saying that if you can make an extra $1,000, $500 in fact a month, how would that help you right now? How would that change your situation? So I'm going to show you right now, a product that I've been, privileged to promote, that I've been, paid out from, using my influence online, using my reach to an audience, and just finding the right product that my audience needs and connecting both together. Now this is a product that I promote, and in the last couple of weeks and months I've been able to generate over $1,000 just promoting this product to my audience, just sending them links and just telling them about this product. So if that's something that you're interested in, affiliate marketing is something that you should really consider. This product costs less than $100, and oops, sorry about that. That was pure reflex. This product costs less than $100, and I know and I believe in this product. That is the only reason why I can recommend this product to my subscribers or to my audience. And once I believe in a product, it becomes very easy for me. And that's one thing you need to know about affiliate marketing. You need to find a product that you believe in, something that you trust, something that you can promote to your audience, something that you can talk about without feeling ashamed or without feeling guilt if someone buys into it. So that's one thing I just want to share with you in this video. If you have the question of whether or not you can make money online without having to create a product, because we all have this idea in our heads, you have to create a product, you have to create a store, you have to sell, drop shipping, you have to do print on demand, you have to do all these things. No, you do not have to. Right now, I'm shooting this video from Tirana, Albania, Republic of Albania. Yes, I'm not in the United States right now. I've been traveling the world for a couple months, and the only reason why I've been able to do it, quit my 9-to-5 job in sales. In fact, it's not a 9-to-5 job, it's a 9-to-9 job, a grueling job that I hate so much. If you followed my second channel, I've talked about this so much, and by the way, I will link it below down in the description. If you want to check my travels, how I document my travels all over the world, go check out the channel, subscribe and let me know what you think. The only reason why I've been able to quit my job, why I've been able to travel the world, why I've been able to, determine my own income, be my own boss, essentially, is because I took a chance on myself and I took advantage of the internet. The internet gives me the opportunity to reach thousands and thousands of people every single day. And why not use that? Why go work for a boss? Why go, have myself sitting down in a cubicle and just wasting my life away when I can create something that will give me freedom to be wherever I want, spend my time the way I want to spend it, spend time with my family and my friends, So that is the same thing that I want you to be thinking about when you think of an online business. I'm not here to motivate you or to do all these rah-rah things that people do, just to show you real proof that online marketing works, and affiliate marketing is pretty much the easiest way to get started online if you have never done anything before. And if you are interested in getting started, I have an incredible opportunity for you. Go in the description right now. It's right there. The link is right there. Get started today. In fact, you cannot afford to waste another day or another single second. Just go right there. The link is in the description. Sign up. Or if you have questions about it, shoot me a DM on Instagram or leave a comment down below. I will respond to you and answer every single question that you have. So if you are thinking about starting affiliate marketing, you don't know where to start or what to do, in fact, just take a chance on this one, and I will give you a guarantee that even if you don't succeed with it at first, just keep trying and keep pushing, keep going at it. And I'm here to answer any question that you may have. And this is the same way, again, that I've been able to do all of these things that I'm doing right now. So if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, go in the description right now, click on that link, sign up, and I will see you inside. So my name is Daniel, and again, if you want to check my channel where I talk about travel, how I travel the world, and do all of this, cool, fun stuff that I do every day, check out my YouTube channel. My second channel is in the description, and let me know what you think. So I'm just gonna wrap it up right here. I will be, making videos like this, showing you how to get things done, how to get started with basic things, making money online, and how to set up a real business, something that will give you peace of mind, something that isn't some hack or some loophole that will come today and go away tomorrow. Anyway, if this video has been beneficial to you, please make sure to subscribe, down below, leave a comment, like this video, and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to reach out. I'm here to answer your questions. My name is Daniel, and I will talk to you in the next video.